Hey, beautiful people, it's your girl, Miss Eileen. Wouldn't you like to have a blurry background just like this without buying an expensive camera? Well, that's what you can get with StreamYard. Let me show you how it works. First, there's a couple of ways you can turn this on. You can either turn it on over on the right-hand side under settings, or you can go down to the bottom where it says cam/mic. Click that on, and you'll see the option for virtual background. And what you want to do is I have a green screen off, check blur, and voila, there's your blurry background, and it didn't cost you an arm and a leg. So be sure to check out StreamYard if you haven't tried it before. There is a ton of new features that live streamers can take advantage of using StreamYard. So be sure to come back because I'll cover another new feature in the next video. Talk to you soon.